Hello everybody, and welcome back to Tracy's Florida Homestead. What you see today is the land that we bought off of a tax deed sale. One of the 5 tips that we shared on our last video. So as you're looking at me, we're looking at the entrance to the property. That was what I was telling you about the access ways. As you can tell, this is a private access way. So you have to be able to maintain that yourself also. So now we're going to turn the camera around. We're going to show you exactly what the property looks like and explain what's going to happen. I hope you stay with us, and remember to hit the like button if you like what you see, and the little subscribe button is down on the bottom. So this is just a hair above 2.5 acres and what was once pasture land, and you will see that in a minute. They broke it down for migrant families so they could have places to live out here and work the fields and the nurseries and stuff like that. But after all of that closed down, we still have the dairy farm over here. But after that closed down, they decided to just make them homes. So here is the property at our beginning gate right here. Warning, no trespassing. Ha-ha, and ha-ha. So this is where we will be building our homestead. And if the video gets a little crazy, you'll have to excuse me. I am trying out my brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black that I got for my anniversary on Thanksgiving. So here goes. I hope you enjoy. Okay, turning around, this is the property. This property, like I said, is 2.5 plus acres. When we bought it, it looked like that.